no party. I feel na good ang imong family. Pinang kayo like it feels so right. The taste so good, the bite so nice. No need to worry, it's so yummy. So what do you think?